What 2 to 3 protocols, habits, mindsets, let's call them shortcuts because everybody likes shortcuts, to longevity and a long health span would you share?
Funny, we've been talking about exercise all this time, but I would say sleep. Make sure you
Mm,
get your sleep because sleep will seal the deal on your exercise working. And we know that if you're not sleeping, we're also robbing ourselves of bone density. So yeah, that's an important concept to consider. And definitely with muscle, while you're sleeping, deepest cycles of sleep, we release testosterone and growth hormone, which get you the reward from the strength training that you've done. So get the sleep. Make sure you are strength training 2, if not 3 times a week. Older adults will find it more beneficial very often, taking more recovery between workouts. And this is in no way meaning to say settle for
mm.
less or lower fitness. You will be more fit if you're totally recovered and have a better workout each time. So 72 hours is often a better workout recovery range, like Monday, Thursday instead of Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I want to point something out to you. um, 48 hours. A lot of people think every 48 hours I can work out again. The research doesn't exist that says you should do this every 48 hours. The research was always rest at least 48 hours. And we kind of have taken that and spun it into our own, you know, we need to do it again 48 hours, but that's not the truth. So if you're not getting results, you are exercising and you're overtired, rest enough. And then look at your diet. Are you fueling what you want? So it's not only muscle, but bone also is 70% protein. So if you're not getting adequate protein in your diet, that could be a reason you are not making the gains. It's not your age, potentially it's your diet.
And your phrase, I love it, restore before more, right? Like
Right.
that's really kind of your key. Any trick or around sleep? Do you have a protocol that you could share or things that you found have worked for you for sleep?
Don't buy a puppy. Yeah, so a couple weeks ago, I looked a lot better than I do today, but
You're like, what's going on? Do I have to go back to that intense training anymore? No, no.
yeah, right. No, I think keeping a routine in, and the most important thing is make sure that your wake up call is the same
Mm,
365 days a year. So there's no such thing as sleeping. So no sleeping in.
yeah.
If you want to get a better night's sleep the next night, get up at the same time. Expose yourself to sunlight, have a regular routine in the morning and at night, but start with the one in the morning. You can't wait to start that till you have a good night, the morning.
Yep.